This week I have loved drinking cucumber juice and I want to show you guys how I make it. I've also been asked some questions in the comments, so I will answer those too. I hope that you too will discover the joy of cucumber juice because it tastes so amazing and it's so good for you. It's so hydrating, has so many good nutrients, and you'll feel so good afterwards. Here is the cucumber. As you can see, this is organic English cucumber, and I have 3 of them. That's the juice that I'm gonna be making. You always wanna be buying organic because it doesn't have pesticides and all of those things. Well, actually, they do still spray it, but a lot less. And it's important for your health. To get, to buy organic things as much as possible. And then there are different types of cucumbers. I particularly found that I like the taste of English cucumber when it comes to juicing the most. So yeah, that's the cucumber. Now here is my juicer. It's an Omega juicer. I've had different models before. They're amazing. This is an amazing company. Their expertise is juicing, and if you are somebody like me who wants to be juicing a lot, I cannot recommend this brand enough. Okay, so I have cut up the cucumbers now so that they can more easily pass through the juicer. And here is where the magic happens. Here we go. And we have this thing to push it down. Okay. And you see how you see how the juice is coming out here. And it's coming out. And so I'm going to make about 16 ounces. Now I've juiced them, and here we have, it says, we have about 14, but the thing is it's gonna be more. So it's gonna end up 16 ounces because there's still more juice here. And it will, when it goes down, it will go up to 16, maybe even a little more. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, we got to 16 ounces. And I like to get this mesh strainer because then the juice is even more fine and really even more enjoyable. Okay, but you don't have to do this, but I think I like it. And here we go. The blissful moment where we get to drink it. I am going to enjoy my cucumber juice, and then I'm gonna answer some questions. Oh my God, that's good stuff. That is so good. So somebody asked in the comments, since they don't have a juicer, can you do it with a blender? And the answer is yes, you can. So you do want to get a juicer if you're going to be doing this a lot. But if you're not going to, if it's like once in a while, then yeah, do it with a blender. So this is what happens. You're gonna cut your cucumber into small pieces. Then you're gonna run it through the blender. And then that's a smoothie, essentially, which you can drink, by the way. It's healthy for you. It has fiber. But if you want to get rid of fiber, and why do we want to do that? Because nutrients can more easily get into our bloodstream if we juice. So if we get rid of the fiber. So then what you're going to do is, with that cucumber smoothie that you get, you need a nut bag. And I don't have one to show you, but if you just Google nut bags, you will see what they look like. And then you will just, put the put your cucumber smoothie into the nut bag and you will squeeze the nut bag really, really hard, and then the juice will come out on the other end. And so that's another way of getting rid of fiber. And yeah, you can totally do that. And you know, you won't get as much juice out of it. It's a little bit more messy. Obviously, juicers are made to extract, especially these omega ones that I have. I mean, they are made to extract every drop of liquid that your vegetable or fruit has, as much as possible. When you are doing it, blending first and then using the nut bag, you're probably not going to get as much juice out, but that's okay. Yeah, is there anything else I want to tell you? I wanted to tell you also that cucumber has a lot of silica, which is amazing for the skin, hair, nails, all that stuff. So even if you're not going to juice your cucumbers, bring them into your life. Put them on every salad. Just eat cucumbers every single day and you will look better, okay?